What you doing, buddy?
Okay. Maybe you wanna try to crawl? Shall we flip him over to his belly? Really? You are gonna be trouble soon.
Kobe, Koka, Kobe. Like tiger, like yeah. Love me.
Oh. Are you gonna flip over? A car. That's a car.
Close. Almost, buddy.
I think it's slippery for him because on the car. No, it's for you. No.
Yeah. What are you saying? Huh? Are you singing a song for us?
I'm just making noises.
Yeah?
Mama. And somehow, when he knows that we tape him, he stopped doing stuff.
You stop doing stuff?
Like on purpose, he knows that, I don't know, like...
We get almost there. Almost there.
Now he don't know what to do with the other leg.
Now what are you gonna do now?
You wanna clean the floor?
Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Yay.
Coco.
You can do from, both sides.
That is very smart.
And he has this passy for teething, but he hates it,
Uh-huh.
Kobe.
Just put it in your mouth. You see your sister-in-law playing with a baby all day long, Monica? No more shopping. My sister takes Marta shopping sometimes and it's a disaster. My mom complained. She said, we cannot do anything, He lasts 5 minutes and that's it. Then it's a disaster.
I mean, in shopping he's really good, he loves people, for some reason.